better get the out of here. Guys, get out of here. Come on. Guys. I don't. You call on this system. Hey. Yeah. All my don't do it. Get this.
Hey! Come on! Well, I'm not doing anything. Please just let go.
You better get the out of here. I don't get out of here.
I believe that our party, the Democratic Party, must be a party that fights fire with fire.
That's disgusting. Why don't you show
What's
some
disgusting
respect?
is
Why don't you show some
thriving
respect to my
she is
client and me and stop calling us a porn star and a creepy porn lawyer? If you've got that big a problem with porn, do you have that big a problem with porn?
I'm not making fun of.
When's the last time? When's the last time you saw porn?
Oh, you busted me. Actually, maybe humiliation porn. That's why I watch you on CNN.
No. Get the out of here. I don't get out of here. Come on, guys.
Hey!
I don't actually go to restaurants anymore. I only go to one. I can't really go to a lot of restaurants anymore because I get yelled at and it's just...
Better get the out of here. I don't get out of here. Come on, guys. Get the I don't. You call on this system. Hey.
Juan Granados and his partner, Will Trinkle, were disinvited when the club said they and their 2-year-old son didn't qualify as a family. They sued, and when word spread that their membership had been revoked, an online petition won 40,000 signatures in their support.
Hey! Come on! Well, I'm not doing anything. What's wrong? Please just there's no excuse for violence. You're not going to defend that guy. You know what he did? I'm saying there's no excuse for violence.
That's right. Get him out of here or there will be.
I've just said there's no excuse for violence.
Guys, stop.
That's it. I just said there's no excuse for violence. So